Hey, Jungle Crew. Gary here. Wild shopping yesterday, thanks to a feathered friend.
Exhibit A, good vibes rock. B, fashionable itchy headwear. C, mud-flavored rainbow treats.
Welcome back. Polly's now obsessed with bargains after the last disaster.
She says it's...
She says they're all pets. Uniquely textured. Uniquely textured.
Well, at least this leaf looks edible. Thanks, Polly.
Jungle fans, I need help. Polly's bargains have escalated dramatically. Too big. This is my life now. Send help and a parrot shopping interventionist.